Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Vizio TV wouldn't turn on power light blinking. Let's dive in. Number first solution is to perform the power cycle. Unplug the TV's power cord from the outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Wait for more 10 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Number second solution is to check the power supply. Test the power outlet by plugging in another device. Check the power cord for visible damage. If using a surge protector, plug the TV directly into a wall outlet. Number third solution is to inspect the remote control. Remove the remote's batteries. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 15 seconds. Reinsert the batteries. Attempt to turn on the TV. Number 4 solution is to update the TV firmware. If the TV turns on intermittently, navigate to Setting, System, check for updates. If an update is available, follow on-screen instructions to install it. Number 5 solution is to perform factory reset. With the remote, turn on the TV, press menu on the remote, navigate to System, Reset and Admin, reset TV to default. Confirm the reset. Without remote, press and hold the volume down and input buttons on the TV for 15 seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions. Perform a factory reset. Number 6 solution is to examine for hardware issues. Look for symptoms like no image on the screen or the visual logo not appearing during the startup. Backlight or video controller board failure could be the cause. Number 7 solution is to check network connection. Disconnect and reconnect the TV's internet connection. Restart the router to refresh the network. Place the TV closer to the router to improve connection. Number 8 solution is to contact Vizio support. If none of the above solutions work, you need to contact the support. Provide detailed information about the problem and steps you have already tried. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.